Okay, so a lot of you are actually interested in getting a 1 minute crypto scalping strategy. And that's what I'm here for. I'll show you my 1 minute crypto scalping strategy. If you appreciate me making a video just like this, just like the video for the algorithm, subscribe if you're new. I think the camera should be a little bit like this. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Like, share, subscribe. This video is no financial advice. I'm super random build on Ether, and I actually have crypto picks that do 5 to 40 trades per day, even on weekends. It's just $50 a month. There's also a code, Niki 20. I believe I'll have it in the first comment down in the description. It's available until Sunday, so you can check it out. And I'm sponsored by Prime XBT. It's a really cool exchange. You can basically copy other people's trades. The way it works is you just gotta go on their co-vesting feature, click on follow, and you automatically follow everyone's trades. Plus, if you use my code, which I have a link for in the description down below, get 50% on top of your bonus. Let's talk about my 1 minute scalping strategy for cryptocurrency. I'll use it in a consolidating market, FTM. This is something I used it today pretty much. And this is how it goes. You need a few things. First, you need the Vumanchu indicator right here. Let me add it in. Let's go to FTM. First, one currency that you can use today. So let's say that we're starting here for the day. This is pretty much kind of the trades I did today. Let's just go back. And because today this indicator was super accurate. So you will need two things pretty much. Oh, thank you, Marcis, for subscribing. You will need Vumanchu, this indicator, and also you will need the RSI indicator, 14. And MACD also helps. You can find all of them, VMC, just go here, indicator, add them, 1 minute time frame, and this is how it works. If you don't have a futures account to trade derivatives, I'm also sponsored by Bybit. They'll give you a bonus if you use them. There's a link for them in the description down below. So I'm looking for, I think I need to make the screen a little bit smaller so you can see everything. What I'm looking for right here is I'm looking for divergence here, this red dot plus high RSI. So when we have high RSI plus this red dot plus first red candle, we do a short position, and we're basically targeting 33-ish RSI, so, or 35 right here. So let's say we're starting a short position here. Stop loss can be, right above this, right above the double top. And now, and take profit can be here, or automatic take profit here, or just, the RSI. Then it drops, 35 RSI, this is where we'll sell. First trade was a win. We continue. Now we have a small downwards momentum. And we have a retracement. That's a small candle, green candle. Now we can buy right here. So we'll go ahead and place a long position right here. And we'll target the 68 RSI area. Here it is, another win, pretty much 67. Here it is, it should trigger right here, or right here, it's 69. So this right here, win to lose ratio is 1:194. So this is pretty much how this strategy works. Again, you need RSI, VMA Cipher, Vumanchu. They're all free indicators. So if you liked the video, if you liked that I'm showing you all of this, just click the like button. That's all you gotta do. It really helps out the channel. If you can't be bothered and for some reason some of the strategies that I'm showing you do not work for you, what you can actually do is just use my signals. They're on Telegram, and I do them. I'm in Europe, but I pretty much cover the US time zone. So I think it would be beneficial if you are starting out. Definitely be careful when you are trading, though, especially with high leverage. I would do not recommend that. And do your own due diligence. See you next video. Bye.